The glory of this new era is not a distant ideal. It is intricately woven into our beliefs and action, interwoven into the tapestry of our pursuits. It strives in classrooms where knowledge is shared, on streets where kindness prevails, and in halls where decisions are made. So let us rise above limitations and envision a new state where the fear of God takes precedence, progress is ceaseless, unity is indomitable, and humanity thrives. The challenge we face are opportunities to prove our resilience, and the triumphs we achieve are tributes to our collective spirit. Today, we charge ourselves with the responsibility to be the driving force behind the glory of a new Edo. Let our dedication be unwavering, our efforts tireless, and our commitment resolute. As we step forward into this new chapter, let each of us etch our legacy in the annals of history, a legacy defined by first spiritual revival and then progress, unity, and the radiant glory of the new Edo.
As for the issues that are around town for the past, when I was away, I really would not want to. Issues that concern my governor are not things I would like to speak on camera. No. It's my senior brother and my boss, and I don't think I should talk about anything. And if I have issues with him, I think it's better settled at home, not in the media. And so I don't want to really talk about anything that concerns my governor in the media. I'm well brought up. And I can tell you that from my Christian background, you understand, if you make a vow with God that you want to do something, you must fulfill it. And the vow I've taken with God is that I will continue to support Godwin Obaseki as the governor of Edo State from beginning to the end. But that doesn't stop any other thing that has to do with ambition. Ambition is personal. Ambition does not affect loyalty. My loyalty to the governor remains absolute, and I see that everybody is doing solidarity. I'm also in solidarity with the governor. I'm also declaring my own alloyed solidarity with the governor and loyalty to the governor, and nothing more. I can tell you nothing more. I'm a Christian, and I remain that.